Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you learn to play Billy Don't Be a Hero on guitar. We'll start by breaking down the essential chords you'll need, then move on to a straightforward strumming pattern that captures the song's feel. Finally, I'll offer some tips on how to put it all together so you can confidently play this memorable tune. Get ready to strum along and enjoy the process. To play Billy Don't Be a Hero, you'll primarily need 4 basic chords: a minor, D major, G major, and C major. Additionally, you'll encounter the E minor chord in certain parts of the song. Focus on clear finger placement for each chord, ensuring every note rings out cleanly. Spend some time practicing switching between these 5 chords until your changes feel natural and effortless. Now let's talk about the rhythm. A great, versatile strumming pattern for this song is down, down, up, up, down, up. This pattern provides a steady, flowing feel that suits the song perfectly. Remember to keep your strumming hand relaxed and maintain a consistent tempo. Focus on a light, even touch to ensure each strum sounds clear and vibrant, bringing the melody to life. Bringing everything together takes practice, so start slowly. Focus on making your chord changes smooth and your strumming consistent, even if it feels a bit clunky at first. As you gain confidence and muscle memory, gradually increase your tempo. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of dedicated practice each day. Regular effort will help you master Billy Don't Be a Hero in no time. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.